next time I've got to remember. Put the seat up before I pee. Oh. Hi, Uncle Jamie. I forgot again. It's a bit wet on the floor.
Oh, man.
Oh, I don't know why my feet are soaking. Oh, that's the trouble.
Did you actually step in?
Well, no, we just went in the restroom to fix our hair, and, I don't know. See, it's all slippy. Oh man.
Oh, gosh.
Auntie Wilma, Auntie Betty, maybe you should start wearing shoes. Why? You don't want to know. Let's watch some Flintstones. Oh, okay then.
3 hours later.
Oh, that was so good. But TV, it sure plays on the pounds. Yeah, I know. I think I need to do some yoga. Hey, did anyone say yoga?
Hold on, it's from a video game that is made for adults. So don't talk about it in front of Woody Jr., remember?
Have you paused this?
No, it's still resuming.
Are we on air?
Huh?
Are we on air?
Yeah, you're on the video.
Oh, hi! Hi. Oh, I like yoga. It's peaceful. I'm gonna do yoga when I'm older. I've got to drink coffee first. I don't need a reason for yoga. Hey, Auntie Winnie. Hey, Junior. You're so funny. Are you gonna drink coffee when you're older? Oh, yeah? Yeah, I'm gonna drink lots of coffee, and then I'm gonna be all hyped. Did you have coffee in the Stone Age times? Yeah, we sure did. Yeah, you just don't want to know where we got it, how we made it.
How?
Put it this way, you wouldn't use birds for that these days. Let's change the subject. Oh, I think I remember that episode. Yeah, let's. I'm still getting over the way that you had your record player. Oh, yeah, sorry. Oh, it's alright. It was one of my ancestors.
Oh, boy.
Cheep, cheep. Hi. Who wants cake? Oh, me. Yeah, okay. Oh. We're sure gonna need yoga after this. Oh, in the words of one of my friends, that's all, folks. Ha 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 ha.